Deep in tropical rainforests, something unusual is growing. A plant that doesn't just soak up sunlight and water, but actually hunts and traps insects. Meet the amazing pitcher plant, a natural trap powered by one of the strongest forces on Earth, gravity. But how can a plant catch insects without moving, chasing, or even touching them? Let's find out. The pitcher plant looks like something out of a science fiction movie. Instead of normal flat leaves, it grows leaves shaped like long, deep tubes, just like a pitcher or a cup. These tube-like leaves are called pitchers, and they are specially designed to trap insects. Inside the pitcher is a deep chamber filled with liquid. But this is not just any water. It is a trap-filled liquid. Most plants get nutrients from soil, but pitcher plants grow in places where the soil is very poor, low in nutrients like nitrogen, so they face a big problem. How do we survive if the soil doesn't give enough food? Their solution is incredible. They became insect-eating plants. Insects provide the nutrients they are missing from the soil. The pitcher plant doesn't chase insects. Instead, it builds a trap so clever that insects walk in but almost never walk out. The top rim of the pitcher is called the peristome. It looks solid, but it is actually super smooth, very slippery, and often covered with tiny nectar droplets. This makes insects think, wow, this is a great place for food. But it is actually the entrance to danger. The pitcher plant produces sweet nectar around the rim. This attracts ants, flies, and other small insects. The insects come closer and start feeding. But as they walk around the rim, something strange happens. The surface is so slippery that they begin to lose their grip. And that's when gravity takes over. Gravity is always pulling everything downward. Normally, insects can resist it by gripping surfaces with their tiny legs. But the pitcher plant has a secret weapon, a surface so smooth and waxy that insects cannot hold on. Once they slip, they fall straight into the deep pitcher chamber. Inside the pitcher, the liquid is not just water. It is a special mix of digestive enzymes. These enzymes slowly break down the insect's body. It sounds a little scary, but for the plant, it is survival. The nutrients released from the insect, like nitrogen, are absorbed by the plant. This helps it grow strong in poor soil. Once insects fall inside, escaping is extremely difficult. Why? Because inside the pitcher, the walls are even more slippery. Tiny hairs point downward. The liquid makes climbing impossible. Even strong insects like ants or beetles struggle. Most cannot escape the trap. Not all pitcher plants look the same. Some grow on the ground, others climb trees, some are small like cups. Others can grow large enough to hold small frogs or even lizards. Each type is adapted to its environment, but all of them share the same clever idea: a slippery trap powered by gravity. Pitcher plants play an important role in their ecosystems. They help control insect populations. They also recycle nutrients back into the environment, and they remind us that nature is full of surprising survival strategies. Even a simple plant can become a master hunter. So the next time you see a plant, remember, some plants are not just green and peaceful. Some are clever, some are patient, and some are waiting quietly for gravity to do its job. The pitcher plant shows us that even still life in nature can be full of action and strategy. Nature is smarter than we think, and this is just one of its incredible secrets. If you enjoyed learning about this amazing plant, Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe BrightMinds for more incredible nature stories.